My goal is to get this joker out of here, this area, so that I can roll it out in like a nice open, away from all this garbage, and actually work on it, but it still be covered. Here's my stock trans bolts. I'm reusing these. I'm getting new ones of these that are hex head, because that is freaking, whoever designed this, bro, maybe fired. Make sure all this threads in right. Ooh, that's nice. Alright. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to load this cherry picker so that this block doesn't fall off and explode my foot. Take this off, it's kind of warm. This is what I could find. I went to Home Depot to try to find, this is a 7/16 by 14 thread or something. Went to Home Depot, they have it listed on their measurements, but they don't have any of them. None of this this size bolt. So the only ones I could find at freaking O'Reilly's were 18 inches long, as you can see. And yeah, that's where we're at. Roll my cribbing. Get this joker on stand. Ooh. Let's see if this will be at work. This right here, this is workhorse. Just let that be known right now. This is my goal. So this whole time, right? Okay, so I'm borrowing that, right? This I bought off of a man. A little bit sketchy scenario. Has front wheels. No back wheels. He said that they were picking up a big diesel motor, and it was so heavy it tilted the whole thing forward, because I had that thing all the way out. Tilted the whole thing forward, so the back wheels are coming off the ground, and then it slammed down and busted the caster wheels straight off. So I've been doing like bootleg stuff and earthworm. Like this. Earthworm? Sydney's trying to feed the chickens right now. So I'm gonna try to pick this up, put this under it, slide out the way so I can roll the whole engine right there. Have a bunch of light, be able to work on it, let it be nice.
What the hell are you doing?
Don't be cursing.
Hey, that's
This
scary.
is a PG channel.
This is scary.
No, it's not. Just slide it under. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
How far? I can't get it. You don't have it enough up.
Okay, hold on.
Baby, I don't feel comfortable.
Over. Ooh. We're gonna get Western. You ready?
Baby, I don't want you to hurt yourself.
I'm not gonna hurt myself. Look, this is like really easy.
Oh no. I had fun. Oh, baby, you're scared.
There you go. It's called physics.
How far?
Middle. Huh? I still didn't hear what you said. Probably gonna move my water. Dude, how cool is this? I can like do anything I want right now. I'm still being careful around it because it's kind of scaring me.
Shaking in your boots right now. Bro, Circle of Life is a sad thing to watch sometimes.
Dude, I can't believe
They all 6 ganged up on that one toad. I mean, when they were fighting till the death, they were fighting to the death.
Show y'all what I'm about to do. If you direct your eyeballs, this is like flat metal surface. That's like leftover head gasket. And I'm gonna be very gentle to not like try to gouge up the surface. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna try to get all that crap off. Right. This is dirt and oil.
You have quite literally only drove this thing through like 1,000,000 pounds of mud. And on top of 1,000,000 pounds of mud, I remember that time we were literally sitting on the frame of your Jeep in Tuskegee. Your wheels weren't touching the ground, but your frame was.
Should I paint this?
Why?
Why not? Hot rod. I can make it like red. Or I can color match it to my Jeep.
Why are you scraping that off?
This needs to be perfectly flat. There's actually, whenever I post this, there's probably going to be a lot of people yelling at me, telling me not to do that. Because this surface right here is supposed to be like so perfectly flat. It's supposed to be
So
zero.
what is that then?
This stuff?
Yeah.
This is head gasket. So I'll show you. I have a new one. This goes in between the block and the head. The head's what like lets all the air in to seal 2 pieces of metal really good.
The chickens in there eating, buddy.
I can't believe you fed them toad, man. That's
It was kind of funny, like watching. Like, I mean, not seeing the toad die, but it's a circle of life. That's how it happens. If they were living out in the land, like how some chickens be, they'd be eating toads all day, every day. And not only would they be eating toads, they would quite literally be jumping them like they did that one. All 6 of them fat freaking chickens on one little toad. Bro, when I tell you they were freaking, all of them were in there trying to peck each other.
Bro, there's like how many free just waiting to get all this. Maybe that's everything.
It's not all of them. It's just calves again.
You know, those are the same calves, and they're getting bigger. Like if they stay here, they're gonna be full-grown cows jumping that gap.
I don't know how to fix it. I mean, don't. Me baby. Like every off day.
I agree. I'm just really bad at it.
I know you are. Logan's spine is crooked.
Yeah, she's also 18 freaking years old.
Poor Lulu. She's just skin and bones. And flies.
I need to call BRB. Seems to have been a mishap. I showed my motor on the floor. My crap's broke. All right. So hey, Sid. Here's where we're at. I bought one of these little magnet guys. Most of the lifters fell out when my engine decided to explode and then fall all over the ground. I'm about to put these lifters up, the old ones. Probably gonna try to take that alternator off, some of this other crap off. And I bought some fresh lifters, didn't I?
Yeah.
They're on the kitchen table right now. Then I'm probably gonna just try to clean this thing up. I'm gonna try to put it back on the engine stand. I bought a tool so that I could possibly remove this flywheel today, so it's not like on there really stupid. It was Valentine's yesterday. I had to work.
This one or this one?
I'm gonna say that one. The one with all the girly stuff on it. Not that it's all girly, but yeah. It also hit right there. Cindy's gonna be my helper today, right? Uh-oh.
Right.
So yeah, I'm gonna put these up.
Maybe.
And then hopefully we'll get some of the stuff off, and then we can plane this down and have it a nice flat surface. The X's are the bolts. And magnetized. Most of the head gasket off. I guess I can start working on getting that out. Oh, that's coming off of my finger. So I might just get some steel wool. I just need to make sure it's not pitting. 80 grit sandpaper and a piece of glass. Bunch of random junk. So yeah, I'll start recording when I have an update. Also check out the fit. Fit sponsored. Hashtag not sponsored. This is, I need something to get dirty in that isn't gonna dirty up every single shirt and pair of pants that I have. So that's shirt and pair of pants that I have. So that's where I'm at. I'll let y'all know. Well, y'all see it.